Hannah Dugan, a judge has been arrested, and we have the criminal complaint right here in black and white. Let's get into it. It starts when ICE agents, they receive a tip that a man by the name of Eduardo Flores Ruiz, this man right here, has been arrested for battery DV. Eduardo, he was also ordered deported back in April of 2013. The agents, they get an arrest warrant and they head on down to the courthouse where they know Eduardo will be. They go inside, right on into courtroom 615. Courtroom 615 is run by Judge Hannah Dugan, this woman right here. The agents, they speak with the courtroom deputy and they tell him, we're FBI agents. We're here to effectuate the arrest of Eduardo. The courtroom deputy says, no problem. Why don't you guys wait outside until he's done with court? The courtroom deputy then goes back in, and when he's there, the judge finds out that there's agents right outside. She says, this is absurd. She gets up out her seat and she walks down and she goes down into her chambers. Then she walks around out into the hallway where the agents are, and she asks them, do you have a court appearance here today? The agents say, no, we don't. We're here to make an arrest. The judge says, do you have a warrant? The agents say, yes, would you like to see it? The judge says, you guys go on over to the chief judge. One of the agents gets up and heads on down to speak with the chief judge. The judge, Dugan, goes back into her courtroom. She tells Eduardo and his lawyer, why don't you guys follow me? She takes them through this back jury door, down the little hall. When they're in the hall and they spot Eduardo, the agents, they spot him. Eduardo goes out, he kind of makes a little run for it, and they catch him. A few days later, the agents charge Judge Dugan with some very serious felonies. Obstructing or impeding a proceeding before a department or agency of the United States, and concealing an individual to prevent his discovery and arrest. Keep in mind, everything that I've told you is from this criminal complaint. And this is all from an FBI agent. We don't have any information as to what Judge Dugan has to say, and she is presumed to be innocent. Judge Dugan is brought before a federal judge, and he ultimately releases her. This is her coming out of the courtroom. Now, she's doing the right thing, keeping her mouth shut. The only time a person charged with a crime should ever speak is in the courtroom. She's aware that there's agents there. She's aware that those agents are there to effectuate an arrest. And she's even aware that they have a warrant. Under those conditions, if this information is true, Judge Dugan has a problem.